Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. Thinking about deleting your EA account permanently? Before you go ahead, there are a few important things you need to know. When you delete your EA account, you'll lose everything tied to it. All your games, progress, and purchases. And here's the key part. Once it's deleted, it's gone for good. There's no way to reverse it. Now, if you're sure you want to proceed, here's how. First, open your browser and search for EA account. Click on the official EA homepage and make sure you're signed in with your login details. Next, once you're logged in, click on your profile icon at the top right corner and go to account settings. From here, select security and privacy on the left side. Scroll down, look for delete your EA data, and choose learn more. On this page, you'll see that you'll have to talk to one of their support team to be able to delete your EA account. To do so, just scroll to the bottom and choose contact us. Finally, just complete all the details required and submit your ticket. And that's it. Once you've submitted the request, expect a reply from the support team within 10 days as they handle the deletion request for you. Thank you so much for watching. We hope this video helped you out. Like and subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos. Thanks